How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you work?
Yes, I work part-time.
Where do you live?
I live in Texas.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm not busy.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you like tea?
No, I don't.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
What do you want to eat?
I want a sandwich.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, I do.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I do.
What are you doing now?
I'm studying English.
Is English easy?
Yes, it is easy.
Do you practice every day?
Yes, I practice every day.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
What do you watch?
I watch movies.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I do.
Are your friends nice?
Yes, they are.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do.
What sport do you like?
I like soccer.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Is this store expensive?
No, it's not expensive.
Do you like this color?
Yes, I like this color.
Is this size okay?
Yes, it's perfect.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
Do you listen to music at night?
Yes, I do.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I do.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I love summer.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I love dogs.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I do.
Do you use the internet every day?
Yes, I do.
Is English important for you?
Yes, it is very important.
Do you want to speak English fluently?
Yes, I really want to.
Are you ready to practice more?
Yes, I am ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.